Imagine waking up one day and seeing Bitcoin skyrocket to new heights. But instead of just watching from the sidelines, you own a massive share of it. Who are the biggest Bitcoin holders in 2025? How did they get there? And most importantly, how can you free yourself from debt and start investing in crypto? Stay tuned because we're about to reveal some shocking facts that will blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Talk HQ, where we talk about money, crypto, and financial freedom. If you're interested in learning how the wealthiest people accumulate Bitcoin and how you can start your journey to financial independence, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Who holds the most Bitcoin in 2025? Bitcoin has been around for over a decade, and some people have managed to collect mind-blowing amounts of it. Let's take a look at some of the biggest Bitcoin holders as of 2025. Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, still holds around 1 million BTC, worth billions of dollars. Public companies, big names like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and other tech giants are holding thousands of BTC in their reserves. Governments and institutions, some countries and financial institutions have secretly been stacking Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Whale investors, billionaires like Michael Saylor and El Salvador's government are continuously buying Bitcoin. Early adopters and unknown whales, some individuals who bought Bitcoin in the early days are now sitting on fortunes without anyone knowing their identity. These people and institutions have one thing in common. They saw the potential of Bitcoin early and took action. But what if you're drowning in debt and can't even think about investing yet? That's where our next section comes in. How to pay off your debts before investing. Before jumping into crypto, you need to clear your financial path. Here's a simple but effective strategy to get out of debt fast. List your debts. Write down all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and outstanding bills. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball: pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins and motivation. Avalanche: focus on the highest interest debt first to save more money in the long run. Cut unnecessary expenses. Limit spending on non-essential items like eating out or subscriptions you don't use. Increase your income. Consider a side hustle, freelancing, or selling things you no longer need. Negotiate and consolidate debt. Talk to creditors about lower interest rates or consolidate your debt into a single, low-interest loan. Once you have control over your finances, you can start thinking about investing in Bitcoin strategically. How to start investing in Bitcoin once you're debt-free or have a clear financial plan. Here's how you can begin investing in Bitcoin. Start small. Even $10 a week can add up over time. Use dollar cost averaging DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly instead of going all in at once. Secure your investments. Use hardware wallets to keep your Bitcoin safe. Stay educated. Follow crypto news and only invest what you can afford to lose. Call to action, and that's it. Now you know who holds the most Bitcoin in 2025 and how you can get started on your journey to financial freedom. Whether it's getting out of debt or stacking Bitcoin, the key is to take action today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Do you own any Bitcoin? What's your strategy? Let's discuss in the comments. See you in the next video.